So it is January 1st, 2020. And it is quite cold outside. And here is the Goodman running in heat mode. The label's fading. The fan motor's getting really rusty, but it still works. For the Frigidaire, it's still in the wall. I plan to replace it in March or April of this year. So you'll see some water sitting in the base pan. It's really bright out here, so I don't know if y'all can see it. I can barely see the screen on the camera, but all that's water down in there. There's quite a bit of water in it, actually. You can kind of see it there. Yeah. Camera battery's flashing red. It's about empty. Anyways, I hope everyone has an awesome 2020 and a very happy new year. There'll be a lot of videos that I will make this year. A lot of videos, a lot of fun projects, and so on. Alright, I hope you all enjoyed. As always, see you in the next video. Bye for now.